Hunger and poverty are two issues well known in sub-Saharan Africa, my home country of Tanzania specifically, and all too common in my home village of Lupunga. In March 2014, with initial capital of $18,000 that I saved up, I founded a company called African Chicken. Specifically, we are working with women in Lupunga and nearby Mlandizi. African Chicken teaches those women poultry keeping skills and provide baby chicks and feed. Once the chicken are grown, African Chicken buys back 90% of the chicken, leave 10% for family consumption. Then we process, pack, and distribute to supermarket, restaurant, and hotels in Dar es Salaam, the commercial center of Tanzania. This partnership with the local women will provide them a good income and help feed their families. So far, we've started working with 48 women organized into dozen groups of 4 women each and plan on enrolling 100 similar groups by end of 2016. We forecast production of 140,000 broiler chickens and 40,000 day-old chicks by end of 2016, with sales revenue of $400,000 and a net profit of $150,000. African Chicken team is led by me, John Kaira, an entrepreneur with 6 years experience in team management. King Sandala joins me. King has 4 years experience in animal husbandry and is responsible for the well-being of chickens across all contract farms. Our third team member is Sheila Athman, who has a degree in accounting from University of Dar es Salaam and is responsible for the company finances. The only major hurdle in achieving those goals is capital. African Chicken is seeking $35,000 of working capital. With your help, we can create good jobs for hundreds of families, feed those families and change their lives, while creating a healthy, profitable business that can scale across all of Tanzania and beyond. Thank you.